Good morning, children. Today we are going to discuss about industries. What is industry? Importance of industries and classification of industries and various factors we will discuss in the class.
The module includes introduction, classification of industries, factors affecting location of industries, industrial system, industrial regions, distribution of major industries, industrial disasters, recapitulation. An industrial system comprises of inputs which include the raw materials, processes which comprises of machines and technology, and finally the output which is the final output of the industry. Let us understand the industrial system through the following slide. Industrial regions. Let us know about industrial regions. Industrial regions emerge when a number of industries settle close to each other and share the benefits of their closeness. Industrial regions are mostly located in the temperate areas, near seaports, near coal fields. The major industrial regions of the world are Eastern North America, Western and Central Europe, Eastern Europe, Eastern Asia.
Let us have a look at the map showing the major industrial belts and industrial regions of the world.
Let us have a look at the map showing the major industrial regions of India. The major industrial regions of India are Mathura, Delhi, Saharanpur, Ambala, Ahmedabad, Baroda, Chota Nagpur Plateau, Hooghly, Mumbai, Pune, Chennai, Coimbatore, Bangalore. The major industrial regions in the country are Mumbai-Pune Industrial Region, Hooghly Industrial Region, Bangalore-Chennai Industrial Region, Gujarat Industrial Region, Chota Nagpur Region, Visakhapatnam Guntur Region, Gurgaon Delhi Meerut Region, Kolam Thiruvananthapuram Region.
Now that you know how important industries are in our life, let us study about the major industries of the world. The major industries of the world are iron and steel industry and textile industry.
and steel industry is the basic or key industry. It reflects the level of industrialization and economic development in a country. Let us learn about the importance of iron and steel industry. It reflects the level of industrialization and economic development of a country. Dependence of other industries for machinery. Locational development. Before 1880, iron and steel industries were located near raw material, power supply, and water resources. 1800 to 1950, the location was near coal fields and transport routes. Since 1950, it shifted to flat areas and near the seaports. Steel making, lime, silica, phosphorus, and sulfur. These impurities have to be removed to get pure iron ore for making steel. Iron ore passes through 4 main sections to get converted into steel. Raw material, blast furnace, steel melting furnace, rolling mill. Raw materials. Raw materials are transported to the plant and are mixed together. The raw materials constitute iron ore, manganese, limestone, silica, chromate, feldspar, scrap iron, dolomite, and coal. Let us see what is involved in the process of iron making. Iron ore is extracted from the earth's surface. Raw material, iron ore, is put into blast furnace. Raw material, iron ore, undergoes smelting. Iron ore is then refined. Output. The output is steel, which is an alloy of iron, can be easily shaped. Steel is used by other industries as a raw material. Alloys give steel an unusual hardness, toughness, and ability to resist rust. Open doors for rapid industrial development. Test yourself. What is the molten iron called at the base of the furnace? The options are A. Pig iron, B. Wrought iron, C. Cast iron, D. Steel. Hint: molten iron. The answer is pig iron. Explanation: pig iron is the molten iron made in blast furnace. In the blast furnace, a mixture of raw materials is added. The impurities in the furnace combine together as slag and floats on molten iron. The slag is separated and the molten iron is collected at the base of the furnace at regular intervals. This molten iron is called pig iron, which after the removal of impurities can be converted into steel, wrought iron, and cast iron. Uses of steel. Let us know about some of the uses of steel. Steel is largely used for making ships, trains, trucks, and autos. Steel pipelines are used to transport oil. Oil wells are drilled with steel machinery. Minerals are mined with steel equipment. Farm machines are mostly steel. Large buildings have steel framework.
These are the uses of steel. What are the uses of steel? Steel is mainly can be used making ships, trains, trucks, and autos. Steel pipelines are also used to transport oil. Oil wells are drilled with the help of steel machinery. Minerals are mined with steel equipments. Farm machines are mostly uses steel. Even you see, all the large buildings have steel framework.
Let us have a look at the integrated steel plants in India. Integrated steel plants are located in Asansol, Bhadravati, Bhilai, Bokaro, Durgapur, Jamshedpur, Rourkela.
These are all the integrated steel plants in India. Integrated steel plants in India is Asansol, Bhadravati, Bhilai, Bokaro, Durgapur, Jamshedpur, and Rourkela. We can look at the picture in India where these iron and steel plants located in Indian subcontinent. Yeah.
Let us also have a look at the map of the major iron producing areas of the world. Let's have a comparative study of the Pittsburgh and Jamshedpur industrial belt.
The major iron producing areas of the world. You see, India is poor as compared to Africa, even if we see the United States of America, the continent of North America, you can see. Okay? Even European countries, most of them are iron producing centers you find in European countries.
Let us know more about location of cotton industries. Cotton does not lose weight during the manufacturing process. Its location is determined by other factors like power, labor, capital, and market. At present, the trend is to locate the industry near the market. Market for finished product is extremely variable.
Have a look at the map showing the major cotton textile manufacturing regions of the world.
Maximum cotton textiles in India. You can take as compared to other countries, Asian continent, especially the most of the countries, developing countries. India is maximum the cotton textiles extended in the coastal belt of Maharashtra, West Bengal, Gujarat, etc. And you can see in the European countries and very few centers in North America.
Let us have a look at the map showing the important textile centers of India.
Cotton textile mills extended in India, Gwalior, Ahmedabad, Surat, Mumbai, Pune, Solapur, Mysore, Nagpur, Murshidabad, Varanasi, and Gwalior. These are the major cotton textile centers located in India. Major cotton textiles established different parts of the India. Clear?
Let's look at the reasons for the decline of cotton textile industry in the East. Production of hand-woven cotton textile were expensive. It was time-consuming. The industry could not face the competition with the new textile mills of the West.